In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage junk email in Microsoft Outlook effectively. This is an important skill that can help you keep your inbox clean and organized, ensuring that you never miss important communications. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Outlook account. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, head over to your inbox. This is typically where you'll find a mix of emails you want to read and some you most definitely do not. Now, let's tackle those unwanted emails that you might be finding there. When you see an email that you don't want cluttering up your inbox, simply right-click on it. This action pulls up a menu with several options, one of which is Report. Once you've navigated to the Report option, you should see the option to Report Junk. Select that, and you'll be presented with the choice to report and block. Clicking on Report and Block will move the email to your junk email folder. By taking this step, you're not only getting rid of that pesky email, but you're also training Outlook to recognize similar messages in the future. This means less manual work for you moving forward, as Outlook gets better and better at filtering out spam and junk mail. Now, let's say an email was incorrectly marked as junk, and you want to ensure it gets to your inbox where it belongs. To rectify this, head over to your junk email folder. When you find the message that's not actually junk, just right-click on it. Similar to before, you'll want to select Report, but this time choose Not Junk. Once you do this, the email will be moved back to your inbox automatically. Not only that, but Outlook will remember this action, and future emails from the same sender should end up in your inbox instead of the junk email folder. Managing junk email effectively can save you time and help ensure you see the messages that matter most. By using these steps, you can maintain better control over your email environment, keeping spam at bay while ensuring important emails are where they need to be. With a bit of regular maintenance, your Outlook experience can remain smooth and hassle-free. That's it for today's video. Remember, a tidy inbox leads to a tidy mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.